All she wanted was a bowl of pasta without anybody looking at her. So I asked her, baby, what's the matter with that?
Sweatpants tear up on the sofa. Swear down, yeah, that's how I know ya. She said that I look alright. I don't wanna go out tonight, so we can stay in and I can make you something. We ain't gotta dress up for nothing. Feet up with the TV on, and all she wanted
was a bowl of pasta without anybody looking at her. So I asked her, baby, what's the matter with that? She said, I know it's stupid, but it's complicated. There's been a lot of pressure on me lately to wake up every day and look amazing. So I said, you're the prettiest thing in the world. Look at what we've done to the girl.
Why you always scrolling through your phone? Only comfortable when we're on our own. Why you gotta care what people think? Gotta make your own rules, do your own thing. Wish she knew all the good she got, instead of trying to be someone she's not. Yeah, cause all she wanted
was a bowl of pasta without anybody looking at her.